Hello children, good morning. Today we will read mathematics chapter 1, that is large numbers. Okay, large numbers. You see, we use large numbers and we read the large numbers in two ways, that is two systems are used to read the large numbers. That is, one is Indian system, that is in India we use that system, and the second is international system. That means out of India, in most countries this system is used, that is known as international system. Okay, you see, in Indian system we use 1, 10, 100, 1000, lakh and crore. You know, because we are using these things, these 1, 10, 100, 1000, lakh and crores. But in international system we use 1, 10, 100, 1000, million and billion. Okay, 1, 10, 100, 1000 we use in both the system. In Indian system, you see the picture. In Indian system there are 4 periods. You see the picture, these are the periods. First is ones period, second is thousands period, third is lakhs period and crores period. You see the picture, in ones place there are 3 columns, in thousands place there are 2 columns, in lakhs period there are also 2 columns and crores period also 2 columns. In ones period, what are the columns? First column is ones column, second is tens column and third is hundreds column. There are 3 columns in one period, that is ones period. There are 3 columns. First is ones column, you see picture, second is tens column and third is hundreds column. You see here also, if there is a 1 in ones column, the value of 1 is 1, and if we will write 5 in ones column, the value of 5 is 5. That means if a number is ones column, the place value is that number into 1. Secondly, second column is tens column. In tens column, the place value of a number, suppose in tens place a number is 2. So its place value is 2 into 10, that is 20. The number, if that is number is the 3, if the number is 3, then the place value is 3 into 10 equal to 30. Likewise, in hundreds place, the place value is the number multiplied by 100. If the number is 1, the place value is 100. If the number is 2, the place value is 200. If the number is 3, the place value is 300. Understood? Okay. You see, then the second period is thousands period. There are 2 columns. One is thousands column and the second 10,000. Is tens column. You see clearly. First column is thousands column. Here the place value of this column is the number multiplied by 1000. If a number is 1, the place value of that is 1000. If the number is 2, the place value is 2000. If the number is 3, the place value is 3000. And the next column is 10,000s column, which is in the thousands period. Here place value is the number into 10,000. If a number 2 is in this column, so its place value is 2 into 10,000, that equal to 20,000. Okay. Then next period is lakhs period. There are also two columns. First is lakhs column and second is 10 lakhs column. If a number in lakhs column, the place value is that number into 1 lakh. If a number 5 is in this column, the place value is 5 lakh. If 6 is in this column, place value is 6 lakh. Likewise, in 10 lakhs column, if a number is 5 is in this number, 5 into 10 lakh, that equal to 50 lakh place value is. If a number 6 in this column, the place value of 6 is 6 into 10 lakh equal to 60 lakh. Like the last period is crores period. First column is crores column and second is 10 crores column. Here the place value is the number into 1 crore, and in 10 crores column the number place value is the number into 10 crore. Okay. Now consider a number. The number is suppose 6854670. In this number, from the right side, 670, last three numbers belongs to first period, that is ones period. 670 belongs to ones period. Here in the number there are 7 digits. First three numbers belongs to ones period. Then 54 belongs to thousands period, and 68 belongs to lakhs period. Now see, 670 in first three numbers, 0 is ones column, 7 in tens column, and 6 in hundreds column. Okay. Then thousands period, in thousands period the numbers are 5 and 4. 4 in thousands period, that is 4,000, and 5 in 10,000s period, that is 50,000. That is 54,000 total. Then see the lakhs period, the numbers are 6 and 8. 8 in lakhs column and 6 in 10 lakhs column. So the place value of 8 is 8 lakh and 6 is 60 lakh. So total is 68 lakh. So we read the number as 68 lakh 54,670. Okay. Again I am telling the number 68 lakh 54,670. So if we place the number with commas, so we can easily read the number. Okay. Now you see, while reading a number, the digits in a period are read as number followed by the period name. The numbers, the digits in the period are read as number followed by the period name, except in case of ones period. You see, suppose a number 6854670. So 670 is in ones period, 54 is in thousands period, and 68 is in lakhs period. So we will read as 68 lakh 5 4 54, 54,670. Okay, likewise you have to do all the problems in page number 78. You see the table. Okay, tomorrow you have to do these problems. Okay, now we will read international system of numbers. You see, in most parts of the world, the place value chart is used different from the Indian place value chart, that is from Indian system, which is known as international place value chart or international system. As like Indian system, the international system is quite different. Here also 4 periods. First is ones period, second is thousands period, third is millions period, and fourth is billions period. Here in ones period there are 3 columns. First is ones column, second tens column, and the third is hundreds column. In thousands period there are also 3 columns. First is thousands column, second is 10,000s column, and third is 100,000s column. And third period is millions period. In this period there are also 3 columns. First is millions column, second is 10 millions column, and third is 100 millions column. Likewise, in billions period there are also 3 columns. First one is billions column, second is 10 billions column, and third is 100 billions column. If the place value, I am telling the place value. If a number is in ones period, ones column, the place value is 1. In tens place, the place value is number multiplied by 10. In hundreds period, in hundreds column, the place value is multiplied by 100. Likewise, so on. Suppose in thousands place, place value is the number multiplied by 1000. In 10,000 also multiplied by 10,000. Okay, then you know this, so we will go to the next question. You see, write the following numbers using commas to separate the periods according to the international system, and also place the numbers in the place value chart. We have to put commas according to the international system. In international system, just we read, there are first period 3 numbers, second period also 3 columns, third period also 3 columns. Sir, here the number 60759,803. First, here also 8 digits. In ones place 3 digits, that is in ones column 3 digits, 803. So we have to put a comma in between 9 and 8. Then the second period is thousands period. There are 3 numbers 7, 5 and 9. You see, 7, 5, 9. So we have to put a comma before 7, that is in between 0 and 7. Here rest is 2 numbers 60, which is in millions period. Here also we read in millions period 60, so we have to read 60 million. In thousands period 759, that means 759,000. So the total number is read as 60,759,803, and we write the numbers in the place value as before. In the ones place we have to write 3. You see the picture, in ones place we have to write 3. In tens place 0, hundreds place 8, 10,000s plus 9, 10,000s plus 5, 100,000s plus 7, millions period 0, 10 million period 60. Okay, you can do this. Okay. Now consider another number, that is, you see 2, 3, 4, 7, 1, 5, 9, 0, 8, 6, 3, 2. There are how many digits? 12 digits. First, we have to put commas according to the periods. First period, comma will in between 8 and 6. The next put a comma in between 5 and 9 and 4 and 7. So we separate into 4 periods. In ones period the numbers are 632. In thousands period, you see, in thousands period 3 numbers are 908. In millions period the numbers are 715. In billions period 234. So we read 234 billions, that means 234 billions, 715 millions, 908 thousands, 632. Again I am telling the number: 234 billions, 715 millions, 908 thousands, 632. Okay, you see another number. You see this picture, 336450809. So in ones period 3 numbers are 809. In thousands period the numbers are 450, and in millions period the numbers are 336. So the number name is 336,450,809. Okay, 336,450,809. Likewise, you have to write another number names. You can do this. No? Then you see page number 8, writing the numbers in Indian system. You can write these numbers. Tomorrow you do this. And numerals in Indian system, and the next is in international system. Okay. Now we will learn place values of the digits of a number in Indian system. Okay. Suppose a digit is 678543201. Again I am telling the number: 678543201. First, write the digits in the place value chart. You see the picture. In ones period the numbers are 201. In thousands period the numbers are 43. In lakhs period the numbers are 85. In crores period the numbers are 6 and 7. In ones place, ones column, see ones column, the number is 1, so the place value of the number 1 is 1. In tens place the number is 0, so the place value is 0. In hundreds place the place value, the 100 place number is 2, so the place value of 2 is 2 into 100 equal to 200. Then you see thousands place the number is 3, so the place value of 3 is 3 into 1000 equal to 3000. The next column, 10,000s period the number is 4, So the place value of 4 is 4 into 10,000 equal to 40,000. Okay. Now see the lakhs column, the number is 5, the place value of 5 is 5 into 1 lakh equal to 5 lakh. Next see the 10 lakhs column, the number is 8, 8 into 10 lakh equal to 80 lakh. Then next see the period 7 in the crores place, so the place value of 7 is 7 crore. In 10 crores period column, the number is 6, so the place value of 6 is 6 into 10 crore equal to 60 crore. Okay. You see the next number is 2056318,479. We will calculate the place value in international system. So calculating that, we have to first write the digits in the place value chart. You see the picture, in ones column the numbers are 4, 7, 9. In thousands place the numbers are 318. In millions period the numbers are 0, 5, 6, and in billions period only 2. So the place value of 2 is 2 billion. In millions period the first 0, the place value of 0 is 0 into 100 million equal to 0. The place value of 5 equal to 5 into 10 million equal to 50 million. The place value of 6 is 6 into million equal to 6 million. Now we will see the thousands period. In thousands period the number is 3, the place value of 3 equal to 3 into 100,000, that means 300,000. Next the place value of 1, which is in the thousands period, that is 10,000 column. 1 into 10,000, the place value is 10,000, and the place value of 8 is 8,000. Like you know, the ones plus 4 place value of 4 is 400, 7 is 70, and the place value of 9 is 9. Likewise, you do the problems A and B in the column page number 81. So we will do all other chapters, other rest chapter tomorrow. Okay, thank you.